How to add or apply coupon on Shein app. To apply a coupon on Shein app, first open your Shein application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Shein, go ahead and select some of the products you'd like to purchase, since you can use or apply your coupon on Shein while checking out with a product online. Once you select your product, add it on your shopping cart by tapping on Add to Cart at the bottom. Once you are done, click Open your shopping cart at the top right and tap on the Checkout button at the bottom right. In the order confirmation page, you'll need to go ahead and fill in some of your information. Select your shipping methods, enter your address, and then under payment method, tap on the Apply Voucher option. Go ahead and enter your coupon code in the text box and then tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Now, tap on Continue to Payment at the bottom right and you'll be able to apply coupon on Shein application. Now, once you go ahead and apply, if your coupon code is valid, your discount will be applied to your order. That is how you can easily add or apply a coupon on Shein application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.